How to become a web front-end developer in 2024? This is the Beginner's Bootcamp, and here I will take you by the hand from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. By the way, this is just a sample of what you will get on my course on Udemy, Become a Web Front-End Developer 2024 Beginner's Bootcamp. If you want to have the full version, head to my description link. Now let's talk about the anatomy of an HTML document. That wraps up the basic of individual HTML elements, but they aren't handy on their own. Now we'll look at how individual elements are combined to form an entire HTML page. And let's revisit the code we put in our index HTML example, which we did with dealing with the files. Here we have doctype HTML tag. So doctype is a required preamble. In the midst of time, when HTML was young, in the around 1991, 1992, the doctypes were meant to act as links to a set of rules that the HTML page had to follow to be considered good HTML, which could mean automatic error checking and other useful things. However, these days, they don't do much and are basically just needed to make sure your document behaves correctly. That's all you need to know for now. Now, let's move to the line 2, HTML. As you can see, this is the opening tag, and Notepad++ will give you the closing tag once you select the opening tag. So the HTML element, this element wraps all the content on the entire page and is sometimes known as the root element. So this is wrapping all this content. Now we have head. The head element, this element acts as a container for all the stuff you want to include on the HTML page that isn't the content you are showing to your page's viewers. This includes things like keywords, a page description that you want to appear in search result, CSS to style our content, character set declaration, fonts, frameworks, links, JavaScript links, and so on. So in other words, whatever you are going to put in between the head, it's not something that your viewers will see. This is mainly the only thing viewers will see actually is the title. But the rest, you're gonna be able to put descriptions, links to JavaScript files, links to CSS, and many more. Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with sought-after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now. The ultimate beginner's guide in 2022. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.